Never Caruana here, back at it again with some valuable, with another valuable video. I can't even talk. Fuck. So this video I'm gonna jump straight in the best client proposal templates to land SMMA clients of 2018 or 2018. Okay, I tried and tested a million presentations. I watched YouTube videos. I took courses, and this is what I came to the conclusion that works for me. I have 8 clients right now, paying upwards of like 1,000 a month, up to like 5,000 a month. So I'm gonna teach you how this one presentation lands me those clients. Okay, so and I'm gonna tell you the reasoning behind like why some presentations and shit. If you're wondering what how I make these presentations, I use Canva. It's like a free software, pretty much. Yeah, it's just a pretty good free software to like make presentations. There are like free templates here, as you can see, to choose from. You just copy and then you click, like you drag and drop to like give it a feel. These are free, by the way. There are some of them which are paid. They don't have like free down here, but anyways. So this is the presentation I use. Okay. This right here. So pretty much I like red because it's like attention seeking. Like when you walk in with like with this presentation in hand, they always like they show interest in what you want to present, if that makes sense. Or not what you want. They show interest in like you see them look at it. yeah. Which shows like obviously it shows interest from their end. Anyways, but so the only thing I would change here is it depends what your service. It could be like search engine optimization or whatever. And down here you change obviously you have to change the client's name. I would recommend writing or printing a different one for every single client. If you're niche specific, then maybe not. Maybe you could just make restaurants and have like only one. But I'm not. I hate niches. Like locally, Malta's very small, so I can't honestly have a niche. So I have to print one for each niche. But anyways, so yeah, but page number 2, pretty much some credibility about you. If you have some credibility here, this is what I do pretty much. I have 2 e-commerce stores, 8 clients, blah blah blah. Here's what I do: help local businesses in Malta get clients profitably. Blah blah blah. I mean, pretty simple. Yeah, it's not even. I probably should optimize this, like fill in this blank area or something. But I mean, this is converting, so I don't care, honestly. Why Facebook ads? Okay, so Facebook ads. Obviously, you tell them why Facebook ads are good. Your audience is on Facebook. You could bring up like you could bring some numbers. Like I usually tell them 91% of 18-year-olds are on Facebook. And everyone's on Facebook. It's a platform they love, not like an intrusive billboard or an ad people don't even consider, like in magazines. Like magazine ads, nobody looks at, right? They look at them and don't even consider buying. Usually, Facebook ads are cheap. You could bring some stats. I'm pretty sure you could like Google some stats and tell them. In comparison to any other advertising platform, how Facebook ads are by far the best. Targeting targeting capabilities, obviously, like targeting Facebook destroys everything, right? Like with billboards, the best targeting you can do is probably like put your billboard next to a school and probably children will watch. Like that's not even specific. You're still throwing away 50% of your ad budget into the wind. With Facebook ads, you throw in 0%. You could like mention it that way. Facebook ads is effective to push on defense leads down the funnel. Well, which is good. I'm gonna put this funnel down below, by the way. Somehow I'm gonna find a way to like link it. Probably ask you for your email. Okay, I'm joking. Maybe I would. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep annoying you with email. Anyways, but yeah, Facebook is effective to push on defense leads down the funnel, like way better than any other platform, right? Because they're on Facebook. If they already see your face, they are more likely to opt in. Yada yada. Facebook allows you to build relationship. This is the remarketing segment. Obviously, like if someone lands on an offer on like a landing page, you could easily convert them on Facebook because all they have to do is click, right? Click a few buttons, boom, they take an offer. And it works way better for local businesses, obviously. Examples here is you put some examples of your work if you have any. If you don't have any, just tell them you're new. Obviously, don't tell them, oh, this is my work, when it's not. That's illegal, probably. I don't know. But you can show them examples of the potential Facebook has in their niche. Tell them, for example, oh, this restaurant fucking got 20 new clients for 10 cents. That's insane. I could do that for you. Okay, something like that. And don't be too salesy this early. Okay. Ads, these are show them some ad angles you could take. This is, for example, like a real estate. This doesn't look that well, but anyways, some angles you could take. But then now I'm gonna show you what you should do. Here is the targeting you could take, which is like obviously really good for local businesses, right? You could tell them like people who live. This picture is kind of fucked up because it says everyone in the location, but you could choose people who live here. So tourists are not gonna buy usually, right? So you just target people who live there. Anyways, so landing page. The only thing I hate about this presentation, not hate, but I slightly dislike, is like the ad creatives aren't the same as the page. Right? Like the ads don't say $2,000 off, but this does. Okay, so hopefully you could find like, maybe you could like make some fake ads and like compare them. I'll show some case studies. It works really well. Oh, case studies up here, by the way. I forgot to mention, you put a case study up here. But anyways, landing page, I mean, very simple. You just put like an offer, click me, okay? Some scarcity down here, a picture of their shit in the back, and like a logo up here. This page will not, obviously this page is not optimized. Yeah, there's like a car up here, but it's like a house behind. This is like an example. Anyways, so when they click on the button, you take them to a pop-up. Okay, and this is very valuable. The email is worth $1 million. The phone number is really good. You tell them something like that. Thank you page. Now this depends on the niche of. Oh, you should tell them that the text on the thank you page needs to relate to what they are capable of, right? Like some receptionists are willing to call immediately. But some receptionists rather have the person call them. Obviously, if the person calls, there are less people calling. Okay, so you're gonna lose some leads that way. But if the receptionist, they have like a receptionist available that can call when someone puts their info. And with ClickFunnels, you can do this really easily, by the way. I'm gonna put an affiliate link down below. I get the percentage. Okay, I'm joking. Don't click my affiliate link anyway. I'm gonna put it down there, but you know, if you, I mean, I really love ClickFunnels. Okay, fucking, it makes life so simple. Like even email marketing, retargeting is just the best software, honestly. Anyways, I'm not being paid to say this. Okay, but anyways, thank you page. It depends on how they do their offer. Like yeah, it depends on their offer. So here, like make sure you're clear about that. You're gonna change it depending on their needs. Okay, email list, or explain how an email list works. You know, you build a relationship when the competition does not. That's the main thing you want to project. There's an email list. They need an email list to destroy their competition. Okay. Also, you could ask them, who do you think is gonna win? Okay, between a business that does not constantly build a relationship with their business, or someone that does build rapport and send them info and valuable shit. Okay, obviously it's an obvious answer. The relationship is gonna win, right? Retargeting, they're probably new to this, so you have to explain to them. Like the main example I usually tell them is I tell them like Amazon, because like with Amazon, when people land on a product page and they don't buy, like you see the product everywhere, right? It depends, some products anyway, but the product is gonna follow you around, like on Google, on Facebook. Now I'm not sure what your services are gonna be, but I would recommend Facebook remarketing. It's you set up one ad. Okay, like it takes you 10 minutes to charge an extra 200 a month. Are you open to do that? Fuck yeah, I mean shit. So retargeting, you have to like make it clear. Okay, now I use this image because it's like shows them exactly what it does. I got it off Google, okay, so me. But anyways, so you tell them, for example, if someone does not land on the thank you page, you know they did not take the offer. Right? So you tell them, hey, crazy, you forgot your fucking coupon here, or something like that, right? So you tell them, and people who land on the thank you page obviously show interest in the service, and they want more of it, okay? They already shown interest, so, and then on the last page, this is not exactly my thing, but it's pretty much it. Now, I'm not sure what your thing is gonna be, but I if you've been here in the past, you know I love 2-week trial, okay? Like I don't care if I get paid 1,500 today. Okay. Now if you're in need for money or something, then you know you need to like change this. But like the reasoning behind 2-week trial is you can charge way higher after you show them results, right? And I'm assuming you're good at Facebook ads or social marketing. If you're bad at them, well, fucking bad luck, I guess. I mean, you know, get good. You know, it's I can't. You have to have a skill to sell. Okay, that's not negotiable. You have to have a skill. And Facebook ads are very simple for local ads, don't even get me started. I also have like a bunch of free funnels below if you're interested. Just there's like a nevercrawana.org/free funnels, not even asking for an email, just cop them for free. It's my way of saying thank you for watching, I guess. But pretty much the reasoning behind this is green obviously is the color that represents go. Okay, like most proposals are very daunting to look at, but this one is, as you can see, is more like colorful, more bold, more concise. So it tells them they're obviously gonna have questions. The main question with this template, they might ask you what the pricing is gonna be after. And oh, I almost forgot. Before you flip the paper between this and your last page. Okay, before you flip, tell them, my goal here is to provide you results before you give me a dime, okay? And my goal is also to give you 10 times what I am worth to you, okay? When you say that, they're like, wow, he gets me, he understands me. I mean, it's obviously kind of salesy in a way, but like after you flip it, they see green. You know, they think of money. It's very easy to close with this approach. Okay. So, anyways, so all you have to do is like change this page depending on your fucking niche, I guess, or whatever. Not niche, on your service, right? But yeah, that's pretty much it. 2-week trial. Oh, the 2-week trial. The reasoning why you want to do a 2-week trial is people are usually scared to put money up front to something they are not sure of. Even if you're like the best sales marketer, there is still uncertainty, right? And there is also more pressure and higher expectations when they put money up front, okay? But when they do something for free, their expectations are lower, than they're not risking that. They're risking like $100 for ads. Okay. Also make sure that you're not gonna pay for the ads. Okay. Obviously, and I would recommend around like $100 or $200 at most for ads. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And also, like after the 2 weeks, if you show them decent results, they're willing to pay higher than the amount they would be willing to give you prior to you showing the results. You know what I mean? It's just win-win all around. I mean, obviously, you're gonna get paid later, so you lose essentially 2 weeks of your pay, I guess. But the level of trust and like it's level of trust you build, the higher asking point, it's obviously like a win-win, right? If you're not in need of money today, which is, you know, it depends on your like situation. If you're in need of money, ask me. I'll give you like $5,000 if you want. It's fine. I'm joking. I'm not gonna anyway. But anyways, I'm gonna put this PDF down below. It's good. I'm gonna give it to you for free. No problem. It's my way of saying thank you again. But yeah, I have some other videos. I'm gonna put them up here or down there. Subscribe. If you like making money, please sub. If you don't like making money, I'm not sure why you're here. I'm not sure why you watched 15 minutes of this video if you're still watching. Okay, but thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Subscribe. Bye.